lose a star. If you win the first match, if the ano is end na, what do you call that? If the placement is end na, you will get 2 stars. Like that. Okay? If you win the 10, you will get 15 stars. So you will have the mythic coin. If you win all the 10, all the 10 games.
I'll play pa.
Yeah, you will not lose any star there. It's just placement.
So it's freestyle?
No, it's not free star. I'm telling you, diba, there are 10 games. The first 5 games, you will get 2 stars for each game. But you will get the star after after you play the 10 games. Okay? So if you win, you will just have a win but not a star. But not a star pa. Okay?
So I will not win if I get a star?
No, you will get it after the 10 games. Okay?
Or will the placement still be there if I,
If you finish the 10 games, the placement is over and they will give you stars according to how many. Hindi ka nag-ban.
wala ako.
After you finish the 10 games, that's when they will give you the stars for the games that you won.
Like, for example, you have mythic 10 stars and you lose 1. Does that mean you're on the placement?
No. Hindi na, pili ka na. Anak. After the placement, that's when you will lose star na. And you will gain star, mythic. After the 10 games. After the placement. In the placement, you play 10 games, you will not lose any star. You will not gain any star. And then, for example, you won 6 games.
That's good, star.
No, that's only 11. It's because it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the last 5 games is only 1 star. So that will be 11. If you win all, you will become mythical, agad. Honor.